Welcome to LP Financial Services. Free membership is available at www.fxreturn.com. Hello and welcome to the LP Financial Services Market Quick View Report for the Euro and the British Pound for Thursday, July 31st, 2008. So just a little past 1600 GMT, 12 noon on Wall Street, and let's take a look at the Euro and the British Pound. We can see the Euro in the background trading 55.81, now dropping 55.78. Trading off of today's news, the GDP figures out of the US and Canada. The Euro initially shot up and then came back down and is continuing to follow along with our preferred chart pattern right now. We're currently trading 55.82 with support coming in at 55.62. And then below that at 52.85 with resistance at 57.38. Let's take a look at the daily chart. You can see there's the trend channel we're in. Let's look at the 4 hours. We had that spike up to the 57 level. We're currently trading 55.78. So the moving averages are crossed over. We went up, hit resistance. Not a lot of momentum, in fact, on the upside. It was a little oversold here as we came back up through the 20 level. But let's look at these levels of support that we're looking at here. This 55.62 level, I believe, would be important, with moves below carrying down to this bottom, 52.85, if we are able to penetrate the bottom of this trend channel. When we take a look at the British Pound, 97.96 shot up to the 99 to the resistance level, 98.80, little through it, came back down, 97.96. In the British Pound, we can find support at 97.58 and then 95.93 below the trend line at 97.10, with ultimate support at 94.60 for the British Pound. On this leg, we have to look at the resistance level at 98.80 as a very strong level, as we weren't able to close there, just to spike off the GDP figures out of the US. No real momentum there, slightly oversold, but we'll have to check the market. This is the interior trend channel on the 4 hour. We look at the Kiwi real quick, still holding its downtrend channel, 73.31 right now, with support just broken at 73.50. We have to look at 71.80, I believe, although you do have this trend line coming in at 72.40. But this is the outlook for the Euro and the Pound, holding that downtrend, and all three in lockstep. So let's look at 55.76. Let's take a look at some economic data from our website that's going to affect. It's Thursday noon. Let's see what's going to happen the rest of the day and tomorrow. We've got some Euro manufacturing PMI, which should be pretty stable. We do have the news out of the UK, the manufacturing PMI, a little bit higher impact. And we have a TON, trade on news plan, for that event. That comes up at 8:30 GMT, 4:30 a.m. East Coast time, and then follow up by our big 8:30 number tomorrow out of the US, 12:30 GMT, US non-farm payrolls. And if that was dollar positive on the ADP report, let's look at this negative figure, minus 75K, down from forecast. And then we finish up back-to-back at 10 a.m., 1400 GMT, our US ISM manufacturing index, 3 stars, looking for a slightly lower level below 50, and check our TON, trade on news plan, for that event. So for Thursday, July 31st, thanks for following along with me today with our LP Market Quick View Report for the Euro and the British Pound. Now we'll see you for our next big news event, non-farm payrolls, 8:30 a.m. tomorrow morning. Thanks again, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.